Welcome friends on Rizwan Ideas, and for today's video we are come to you Mi Band 3 and we come to you giveaway contest, and one lucky winner can win this amazing Mi Band 3. So this is a Mi Band 3's box and we got this from banggood.com. Let's open the box. So this type we open the box. First we got Mi Band, and this Mi Band is looking so nice, and it's compared to Mi Band 2 it's really good. So we remove this. So now we remove the sticker and we got a OLED full touchscreen display, and we can see a model number on this side. It's a made screen friendly material and Mi logo in the bottom on heart rate sensor. Well, have to see how it performs. But we saw first the belt. We got a black color one and it's also come in red and blue. The quality of the belt material is nice, I think awesome, and we can flexible it a size. Along with that, you can use a manual guide, and it's a completely wrote in multi-language. You also got a USB charger too for charging Mi Band 3. So you can charge it up to date and charge the Mi Band 3. Coming to the battery life is really good. It has a 110 mAh battery, standby time more than 20 days, and 0 to 100% charge only in 2.30 hours. So let me put the Mi Band 3 in the belt, and overall I like the design of Mi Band 3. So let's reconnect Mi Band 3 to mobile and let me show you all the features of Mi Band 3. So you have to install Mi Fit app in your phone. So that's a app look like. First we pair this Mi Band 3 to phone, and you can see the pair is successful. So after pairing, it's update automatically, and you can see the updating is successful. Swipe up to get more options, and right to left swipe to get silent, stopwatch, and find the device and etc. For the open feature, along press home button screen, and you can see my phone is silent now. And swipe down so we can see pedometers, heart meter, weather, exercise, and more. If you got a call, so it's shown Mi Band 3. So active these features, we allow the notifications. Okay, let's try it. It's working, and long press home button to end this call. Let's see next features. What notification we want on Mi Band 3 to allow notification button. Like this. Now we see on WhatsApp message, and you can see it's working. Next features, find the device. If you lost your phone near to you, or you forget your phone where you put, so this feature you got your phone. Let's see. Just enter the setting. You just need to press and hold to touch key. So here we go, we have a 3 watch face. Now it's the time to test the heart rate monitor. I fix Mi Band 3 on my hand. Go to exercise. First we show stopwatch, and down under a calorie burn workout, and swipe it to we got the heart rate monitor. Look, my heart rate is 92 ppm, and look, it's a give 80% result. Now it's time to put Mi Band 3 to water test. I have a 1 glass water. We will be drop Mi Band 3 to water and see after some time what happened. The Mi Band 3 is 5 atmosphere water resistant. That means it can reach time the pressure of 15 meter underwater. That is really awesome, guys. Okay, let's see what's happened. Everything is working as you look in the video. The touchscreen is working regular. The Mi Band 3 successfully passed the water test. Let's see Mi Band 3 specification. Display 0.78-inch OLED touchscreen. Screen resolution is 128 by 80. 580 m water resistance. Battery 110 mAh. Standby time more than 20 days. Available in 3 colors and weight only 20 gram. For participant in giveaway contest, to follow these 5 simple steps and a one lucky winner can win this Mi Band 3. Step 1. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Step 2. Like this video. And step 3. Share this video. Step 4. Visit to banggood.com, linked in description below. You can see the Mi Band 3 on banggood.com. And the very important step is comment in this video and I pick a randomly one lucky winner. I announce the lucky winner on my next DIY video.